Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to copy TikTok profile link. In order to copy TikTok profile link, you need to follow these steps. Make sure that the TikTok application is completely up to date. So once you're logged into your TikTok account, what next you do is you have to tap on the profile button. After you tap on the profile initials, tap the try bar icon from the top right and go to settings and privacy. When you go to the settings and privacy, click on share profile button. And then when you go ahead and look for it, if you swipe down or if you just swipe it up, tap on the more button. And then there you have the button, right? So click on the copy button. Now you have copied your TikTok profile link. You could go ahead and share it on any other platform or add it to your bio as well. So this way you'll have successfully copied TikTok profile link. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.